What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kim. You know the name. So, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim Suave, and I'm your favorite girl from Miami, and that's on what? Period. So y'all, today I'm doing a video for one of my friends. She has a shoe-tique. She's from Miami, of course. I went to high school with her, and her shoes are bomb. My girl got style. She got a whole bunch of other shoes. She has some orange snakeskin shoes. She has some green shoes. It's just cute. So if you want to buy some heels, you want to feel cute, you need to shop with her. This video will be based on supporting your friends. Y'all, don't forget to support your friends. If your friends have an upcoming business, don't forget to support your girls, support your boys, support your friends in everything they do, as long as they support you as well. We need to support our black brothers and sisters, uplift them and get them to the top, because we create a style and we are the blueprint. But let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. So guys, my house is loud due to everybody is just doing something right now. It's very much so annoying, but the video must go on. But today is another Get Ready with Me, because y'all like those videos, you know. I like them too. They be real cute, whatever. And I don't even really be having like topics to talk about. I just be talking. That's how you know I can talk. Like, I won't talk your ears off of them, but I can hold the conversation, you know. But I already did my eyebrows and stuff like that. Y'all, in the last video I did of the mini vlog, that vlog, y'all, I was looking so tired and dead when I was doing my makeup, because number one, I was running low on sleep, because I had went to sleep at like 4 o'clock in the morning because I was up so late sewing those pants, and then I didn't even finish the pants because my dumb ass ended up sewing it backwards. So it was just a whole lot of. I didn't even sew it backwards, matter of fact. So the first thing I did, because mind y'all, this is my first time ever making anything. So the first thing I did, I cut out 4 left legs instead of cutting out 2 right legs and 2 left legs. So first thing mistake, I cut out 4 left legs. So then after that, I had let me start doing my makeup. What am I doing? I'm just talking. So then after that, I had sewed the pants wrong. Like, I don't even understand how I sewed it wrong. It was just wrong. So then that happened. So then I had to take out all the stitches so I could sew the pants back right. And then at that point, it was already 4 o'clock in the morning. So I was like, F that, I'm going to sleep. I went to sleep. So then I sewed the pants back the right way, the right morning. So I had to wake up at like 10 after going to sleep at 4. So I'm on E. My gas tank is low. So yeah, I had to do that. And then I already got primer on my face. Y'all know the drill. The Milk Hydro Grip Primer is what I use. And then I'm using Shiseido foundation in the shade Jasper. I'm gonna switch my foundation though. So then after that, when I had woke up early to sew the pants back, it was like time was just going, because it was taking me a long time to do that for some reason. And it was already 3, and like I said in the vlog, I had to be where I had to be at 4, and I hadn't even done my makeup yet. I hadn't got ready yet. Didn't even know what I was wearing. And mind y'all, the waistband on my pants, it was too big, and I didn't have no time to sew it back, to sew it to my waist, because they're low-rise pants. So I had no time to do that, so I had to roll them up real quick so it could like look like it's fitted. And then my mom had to pin the back for the time being until after the photo shoot, when I had time to pin it. So that was that one. But yeah, so this video is about supporting your friends, y'all. Why don't y'all support your friends? It takes literally 1 second. So I'm supporting my girl Jazz today. I went to high school with Jazz, and that's how we are friends. But she has a shoe-tique called Face Co. Y'all need to go shop on Instagram. I'm gonna leave all her stuff for Face Co. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna put it in the description so y'all can know. But yeah, so it's a shoe-tique that she has, and I'm definitely gonna support her because number 1, she's a good businesswoman. Number 2, the shoes are cute, and number 3, she got style. So I know, of course, the shoes are cute. And number 4, that's my friend. So of course I'm gonna. So why not? She always support me in everything I do. So why would I not support her in everything she do? Hello. So these are the shoes. There's mules, clear mules. These are cute. Let me take off the cotton wrap so y'all can see. Lion say these ain't cute. These are too cute. And now I gotta hurry up and paint my toes. Y'all know it's quarantine. I gotta paint my toes. I'm gonna take pictures and put it on my Instagram. But yeah, y'all, I hate how people say, oh, like, if your friends don't post your stuff or whatever, that doesn't mean they don't support you. But doesn't it? doesn't that mean they don't support you? Because I got a business, I'm serious about my business, and you ain't even posted not once, but then you posting flat tummy tea and bitches stuff that you don't even know, and then you expect me to feel like, oh, you support me? I don't think so. It doesn't work like that. But I'm putting some Lord Mercier powder on my face really quick. The post on Instagram take what? And not even a post to your page. You can post it to your story for 24 hours and then it's gone. Like, how hard? Why is that so difficult for people? I don't get it. Like, I really don't get it. I'm gonna always support my friend's business. I don't see no problem with that. I don't mind posting it to my story. But then again, another thing is, I'm not gonna post the business to my story if you're not serious about it. That's one thing though. Like, I'm not gonna get, like, that's bad business for me now, because it's basically, I feel like it's basically you putting your face on it. But that's just that on that. Let me take this off. I put gel, and then I put the Got To Be glue spray on my edges. Let's talk about insecure, y'all, since we speaking on supporting your friends and stuff. So did y'all see the insecure episode, the one that just came out on Sunday? Molly is tripping. Like, I'm not gonna lie. So let's revert back, starting from season 1. So I'm not saying that Issa is the best friend in the world, but I'm not saying that Molly is either. Like, I feel like their relationship was solely based on Molly always having to save Issa. And now that she doesn't have to save Issa, I feel like that's what she really mad about. You feel me? But honestly, let's just focus on Molly. Because it's not about Issa. We all know Issa's not perfect, but in this situation, Molly is the one who is in the wrong, period, as far as pertaining to the latest episode. They got into an argument because Issa asked Molly to ask her boyfriend to hook her up with the Live Nation artist because her artist bailed on her for the block party that she was having. So Molly said, oh, she doesn't want to ask her boyfriend because she really cares about the relationship and she doesn't want to jeopardize it. Pause right there. Let's speak on that first. So number one, she already blew me with that, because I hate when people say, oh, they're trying to protect their relationship with their partner, but your relationship with your friends is also important too, no? So because you want to protect this new relationship with your partner, you'd rather see your friend fail. And it's not even really that you want to protect the relationship with your partner, you just don't want to help your friend because you're mad at her over some petty ass reasons. Number one, let's get this clear. The only reason Molly even knows Asian Baby is because of Issa messing with Nathan. So if it wasn't for Issa, Molly, you wouldn't even have this relationship to protect. So what are you even saying right now? Like, she really pissed me off this episode, y'all. Like, for real. So yeah, I would have wanted to go ask Nathan, okay, Molly, since you said you want to protect your relationship, whatever the hell she said, I would have not put you in it like Issa said, and I would have went to ask Nathan. So what also blew me is how when Molly found out that Issa got the help from Asian Bae, she forgave Asian Bae like that. I like how Asian Bae was telling her about herself too, like when she was getting dressed and how she was saying, oh, maybe we shouldn't go, and then he was like, oh, so you're gonna punish her for not going? Like, yeah, you are trying to punish her, Molly, for petty reasons. And then he told Molly that he thought he wouldn't mind if he helped Issa, considering the fact that's her best friend, which is true. Molly, so why are you really upset? The girls want to know. So, and then I don't like how, Molly, why would you go bring up this petty situation up at her event? You brought it up at her event that you knew was important to her because you were not the center of attention. And that's genuinely what I think the problem is, Molly. Like I said in the beginning, Molly wants Issa's life to be a mess so she can fix it. Because Molly's life is a mess her damn self, and so she feels like if Issa's life is also a mess and she has something to do, it'll take her mind off of her messy ass life. So I don't know. I'm not even saying Molly is a bad friend, but I feel like she's being a very bad friend in this situation, and I honestly don't know if she'll all the way be able to come back from this. You know, when you sever the friendship to a certain extent, It's hard to come back. Very hard to come back. Like, y'all gotta build, rebuild. Plus, they was about to fight. Because Molly was putting her hand all up in Issa's face. If they didn't start shooting, they would have probably fought. I was hoping they did. I know what I want to go, the foundation I want to go back to. I want to go back to my NYX foundation. But the reason I even stopped, it's not that I stopped using it because I stopped liking it. I stopped using it because y'all know Riley Rose closed, and that was like the only place who had my shade in it. Like Target doesn't carry my shade. I wear Chestnut in the NYX little drop foundation, so I don't know, nowhere sells my shade, and it's like, dang, now I gotta order it, now I gotta wait. Like, that's just, it's really annoying. So that's why I've been trying to switch my foundation, but everything I switched to, I haven't really liked it. Like, I liked the Shusweda at first. I only tried it because Jackie Aina said to try it, and of course I'm gonna listen to the good sis Jackie Aina. So I tried it out. I don't like their shade range, I would say, for me. And it's I'm not gonna say it's expensive, because makeup is expensive, period, unless it's drugstore. But it's just, I don't know. I just don't like it. Like, I liked it at first, like I said, but now I don't know. Like, when I look back at my old videos of how my makeup used to be when I was wearing the NYX, I was that thing. I was that thing. But now I'm still that thing. Like, I'm always be that thing, of course. But now I'm like that thing -1. So today we're going in with the Jackie Aina palette. I'm gonna do the same look that I did in the mini vlog that I did for the photo shoot in Design District. So Jackie Aina's palette, of course. I'm going to use Credit for the crease area, and then I'm going to put Ginger on my lid. So yeah, going with Credit for the crease area, and then we're gonna wing out the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with a clean fluffy brush and just like try to blend out the edge, because I don't want the top to be too harsh, but I still want it to have that like winged effect. But I don't want it to look like a line, you know, at the top. We're gonna go in with LA Girl Beautiful Bronze. My Beautiful Bronze is running out, y'all, but the hair's still back open. You just can't go inside. So I'm gonna just call them up, tell them bring me a Beautiful Bronze outside, okay? Now that we got that Beautiful Bronze on the lid, we're gonna go in with Ginger, and then we're just gonna pack that on top of the Beautiful Bronze, and it's pretty much the same color as Beautiful Bronze, so yeah. Yeah, I want my contacts back so bad. Like, it's really upsetting me and my homegirl. Number one, eye doctor's closed, so I don't know. That's something I probably gotta do as soon as I get back to Tally. Cause I can't do it, man. I can't see, and I like glasses cool and all, but 9 for every day. I don't even got my contact prescription, so I can't even like. Did my prescription change? I should have asked him if my prescription changed. Y'all know the prescription for your glasses and the prescription for your contacts are different, so. But I wonder if they could figure it out if I just gave them my glasses prescription. Would they be able to figure it out? Because I don't know how that eye doctor stuff works. It's Too Faced concealer in the shade Chestnut. And I'm gonna just clean that bottom up. I just finished putting on my lashes and everything, so I'm gonna get ready so we can start taking the pictures while it's hot outside. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do my hair, but I need to figure it out quickly because I'm supposed to be meeting Anaya and Drea at 1 and it's 2, so I need these pictures to go by as quick as possible. I'm gonna be taking out my hair at the end of this month because my real hair is coming out of it. Like, I don't know if y'all can see right here. This is my real hair right here. Like, it's coming out of some of the faux locks, so I'm gonna figure that out. But I wanted to do like, I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. What I'm imagining is already not coming out how I was imagining it, so we're gonna see in a minute. I'm gonna come back when I'm done because I don't know if this even will come out right for me to be recording it. So y'all, I just finished taking my pictures. They came out pretty cute. I'm trying to cover this because my nipple's kind of showing because the shirt got holes in it, but here. But yeah, so I took some pictures in front of some houses in my neighborhood because, you know, it's cute up here. Harper took those pictures for me. I got these hoops in my hair, but I'm gonna take some pictures later at nighttime tonight in my dad's car, so I'm gonna just leave my makeup on for the day. But with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for those pictures on Instagram. Don't forget to shop Face Co, the ultimate Miami shoe teak, okay? And that's on my period and Face Co.